Snow day. Snow day.
Bro.
You ready?
I just woke up. Leave me alone.
Look, look. Oh, I can't really see
Oh,
it.
snap. It's still coming down.
Yeah. Let me see it. No, you got to do it a little more. Lay down again. More. All right, get it. You can see it right there. Yeah, wipe them off. Shake it. There you go.
It's snowing in Georgia. That's insane. I can't believe it's snowing in Georgia.
Check the fit though.
And then there's my mommy.
Hello. It is cold out here.
Say hi to Vloggy.
Hi.
Is it
recording?
Yeah. So there's Snowy. Snowy.
All right, so we're building a snowman or what? Ellie, get him back. Get him back, Ellie.
Oh yeah, look, we got enough.
We got something.
A baby snowman.
It's over here. I was telling Anthony we should do it on top of his car. See, they're gonna throw a little salt right here. All that's gonna turn into like slush, ice.
Yep.
You cold?
Yeah. Ow.
You got hella fucking snow. Is this the snowman already?
Yes. My hands are freezing already.
I'm making a baby one.
Chat. Is this a snowman?
Look, I'm making a baby snowman.
Is that a lot of snow?
I mean, there's a decent amount of snow.
Oh my god.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Oh my. The war games have begun. He's running, Anthony. He's running. He's running, Anthony. Man down. Ellie. You better not get near me. What the?
Look at my hands.
Oh my god! We should get some warm food.
She said, let's get some warm food. She's more worried about eating than anything right now.
I can't feel my hands. Let Lucci come over here.
Let's see what he does.
Yeah.
Go.
Lucci!
Lucci's definitely fit chilling.
Come here, Lucci. Oh, you better be careful. Over here, stay over here. He's like, what is this?
He's like, nope.
He's having the best time in his life.
His toes probably cold.
Yeah.
Is it cold
I
or
want
what?
one.
Look at your hair.
I know.
You look like Elsa.
It's collecting all of the snow.
Me like the best part. It is the snow.
Look at your windows eyes.
They're what?
They're all like.
I hate you. You're the worst. You're
You
the.
hadn't got hit with snow yet, that's why.
You
You had to get it for the one time.
want some?
Yeah. She's been running away. Bye. Oh, my hands. I know you want to play in the snow.
Lucy! Lucy!
Oh my god, no you're not.
Are these over medium?
Get out of here.
But if they break, I'm just gonna scramble it.
Well, this is the aftermath of our snow blizzard in Calhoun.
Blizzard 2025.
Blizzard 2025.
Yeah.
There's still some snow.
Wasn't like that Blizzard 93 though. That's what they say, at least. If you made it this far into the video, leave a W in the chat. I appreciate y'all sticking with us. Thank y'all for watching our videos. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see y'all next video.